Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on light mode on your Nintendo Switch 2. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and turn on light mode on your Nintendo Switch 2 because you don't really like the dark mode. As you can see, it's pretty dark. How do you actually go ahead and turn on light mode on your Nintendo Switch 2? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But the first thing that you want to do is go ahead and click on System Settings located on this button right over here. Next, you want to go ahead and scroll all the way down to where it says Theme. So Theme is located right over here on the left hand side and click on that. Now this is the really important step, guys. You're going to see that there's two different themes. Right now we're on Basic Dark theme, which is this theme here that you see. But if you click on Basic Light, that is going to turn on light mode on your Nintendo Switch 2. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and turn on light mode on your Nintendo Switch 2. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.